So hi guys, a very good morning to all of you. This is Rahul Prajapati and thanks for tuning into the morning market briefing. So let's analyze the market first. So if we see the Nifty on SGX, so it's a small upside move. So ज़्यादा कुछ बड़ा gap up नहीं है यहाँ पर, only 20 points. Now if we see the technical charts, तो on technical charts we can see 17,800 का जो market ने resistance लिया है, उसके बाद market has came down to 17,200 almost. So yesterday we have discussed कि 17,500 के नीचे market trade करेगा तो it can fall further. So 17,200 is the level that we discussed. That was a support. Now if we see further, if further short comes, so market can can fall further to these levels, like that is 16,850, and further it can go down below that level after that. Okay, so then the next support might be at 16,850 for Nifty. Talking about the bank Nifty, so we are seeing from last few days that market has touched around 40,000 level, and then after that it started correcting, so it's around 38,000 now. So logically the 39,000 and 40,000 will be working as a resistance for bank Nifty. Now on the downside, 37,000, 36,500 could be a support for the this whole consolidation range, right, on a technical chart. Now if we see the open interest, Nifty is showing a short, right? So yesterday it was a clear short. So, and this rise was again not so convincing. So after 17,000, it's clearly short. People are selling the market specifically. So probably a bit on the negative side. The trend of a market is on the negative side. Thoda yahan pe. See bank Nifty. So again, from last 3 days, it's clear short, right? So that was again not so much convincing on the upside. So it's clear short, right? Now let's see the top gainers and losers. So we can see the range also. Now, if we specifically see, there are a lot of call writing across all the strike prices, so less of very unwinding, right, mostly on the call side. So this signifies that call writers are more aggressive on this side, right? So 17,400, 500, you can see all are very high. So 17,500 is a good resistance as of now. Downside 17,200. So if market breaks that level, we can expect 17,000 and then probably on the 16,800. So technical chart level is also there. So it's almost same, right? So 17,500 is the resistance on the upside. If we talk about bank Nifty, on immediate basis, we can say 38,000 is a support, 38,500 is a resistance, and 39,000 has the highest call. So that is a vital resistance as of. Okay, now come to the gainers and losers. Okay, so yesterday we have seen GNFC going up by almost 12%, Indigo almost 10%, and Bank Baroda almost 6%. So these are the top gainers yesterday. On the downside, Torrent Power we have seen 10% down, Lupin 7%, FSL almost 4%. So these are the top losers yesterday. Okay, so if you see the index contribution, so mostly private banks are contributing on the negative side, and then we can see NBFC and IT and FMCG. So these four sectors are majorly contributing on the negative side. If we see the build up, so PSU banks only showing a bit on the positive side. If you go on the negative side, so capital goods, reality, and auto stocks are on the downside. Fine. Let's see the stocks first. So first stock is Divi's Lab. So if you see, that's a clear short we have seen, and then when market went up, the stock went up to 4,400. So that's clear short covering happening. And yesterday we have a bit of increase in the OI, so that's a short, right? So the trend of a stock seems to be down as of now. So if the stock breaks again of 4200 level, we can go and create a short position. Expected level 4000 very easily, and then 39,000. So these are the two levels we can expect, and 4400 could be working as a resistance for this stock. So simple, it's clear short for Divi's Lab. Okay. Second stock is Cipla. So the stock is trading in a range. Again, 950, 960 level is the resistance the stock is facing. And then when again the stock went up, so it's again a short covering. Okay, and then we are having a bit of short here. So if the stock breaks like 930 level or 925 on technical chart basis, 925. So we can see the stock and again coming to 880 levels. So that's the range we are seeing. So again, this is also a stock on a short side, right? Now let's go and check the open interest. So first is Divi's Lab. It's clear. अगर आप Divi's Lab का चार्ट देखेंगे यहाँ पर, so when the stock was coming down, so it was clear short and bit of unwinding. So unwinding doesn't recognize here, so it's all short. And then when market went up, it was short covering, and yesterday we have a short. So that means from 42 below 42, we can go and create a short position in this, right? And then we have Cipla. So again, see, it was short covering, and then we have already 3 days short. So we can again go and create a short position in this. So we need to wait for the level to break out, right? So let's see. So for Divi's Lab, 4200 level to be taken out is the it's fine. So we can expect 4000 very easily. On the upside, 43 and 4400 are working as a resistance, right? So 930 could be the level. If that breaks 930, so that will be like we can go short below on Cipla, and 960 could be a resistance for this stock, right? So that's the thing. So we can go and create short position in both these stocks, right? Specifically. Okay. Now let's come to the summary part. So 17,000 is the support for Nifty as of now. 17,500 is the resistance. 38,000 on the downside for Bank Nifty. 38,500 and 39,000 is the resistance. PSU banks are showing a bit of on the long side. Capital goods, realty, and auto stocks are showing a bit of short side, and we can create a short position in Divi's Lab below 4200. Any rise on this stock can be taken as a short specifically. Cipla, we can go short below 920, 930. These are the two levels we can go and create a short position. 960 could be a resistance in the stock. Still, there is no stock in the ban list, right? So that's all from my side, guys. I'll see you again in the next session. Thank you so much.